Welcome back to How to Guide. Today, we're diving into the top 5 groundbreaking AI tools that are set to transform content creation in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tools will elevate your game to the next level. This is happening right now. So if you're ready to boost your creativity and seriously up your content game, stick around. We're about to break down each of these tools, showing you exactly how they work and why they're absolute game changers. Let's get started. First up, we've got Visual Master AI. Imagine this, you're sketching out an idea for a new logo or character design. You've got the vision, but maybe your finished product doesn't quite match what you see in your head. That's where Visual Master AI comes in. You upload your sketch and boom, Visual Master AI enhances it, adds color and transforms it into a piece of digital art. Visual Master AI gives you a level of polish and professionalism that would usually take years of practice to achieve on your own. And the best part? It's incredibly intuitive to use. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Visual Master AI can help you bring your ideas to life. Visual Master AI takes care of the technical stuff so you can focus on what really matters, your creativity. Next up is Script Genie, and this one might just blow your mind. We've all been there, staring at a blank page trying to wrangle our thoughts into a coherent script. Script Genie is here to take that struggle away. This AI-powered assistant is like having a personal scriptwriter on call 24/7. You feed it a topic, some key points, and Script Genie churns out a fully fledged script. We're talking engaging dialogue, a compelling narrative arc, the whole 9 yards. Script Genie analyzes your target audience, understands what makes them tick, and crafts the script accordingly. So, whether you're creating content for social media, YouTube, or even a feature film, Script Genie helps you connect with your viewers on a deeper level. It's here to assist, to make the writing process smoother, and to free up your time and energy so you can focus on other aspects of your content. Now let's talk about audio. A great voiceover can make or break your content, but finding the right voice actor, booking studio time, it can be a whole thing. But what if you could generate high-quality voiceovers right from your laptop? That's where Voice Mimic Pro comes in. This AI tool is like having an entire library of voice actors at your fingertips. We're talking different tones, different accents, male and female voices, you name it, Voice Mimic Pro probably has it. With Voice Mimic Pro, you choose the voice you want, type in your script, and the AI generates the voiceover in seconds. This is a game changer for creators on a budget, for those who need quick turnaround times, and for anyone who wants to experiment with different styles of voiceover without the hassle and expense of traditional methods. Okay, you've got your visuals, your script, your voiceover. Now it's time to put it all together, and that usually means hours, maybe even days, stuck in the editing bay. But not anymore, my friends, not with Editease AI. This tool is like having a professional video editor working alongside you, except this editor never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and always gets the job done on time. Editease AI takes your raw footage, analyzes it for the best takes, and then automatically cuts and syncs everything together. Editease AI can also add music, sound effects, and transitions, all perfectly timed and in line with your overall creative vision. The interface is super intuitive, allowing you to tweak and adjust every aspect of your edit until you're completely satisfied. Editease AI streamlines the process, frees up your time, and allows you to focus on the bigger picture, crafting compelling stories and creating content that truly resonates with your audience. Last but not least, we have Trend Tracker, and this one is all about staying ahead of the game. In the fast-paced world of content creation, knowing what's hot and what's not is crucial. You need to be relevant, you need to be timely, and you need to give your audience what they want, sometimes before they even know they want it. That's where Trend Tracker comes in. This AI scours the internet, analyzes social media trends, and uses all that data to predict what topics will be popular in the coming days, weeks, and even months. It provides valuable insights into why certain topics are trending, what kind of content is performing well, and who the key players are in your niche. So if you're serious about growing your audience and staying ahead of the competition, Trend Tracker is your secret weapon. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI tools that are absolutely revolutionizing the content creation game. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking tools and features in the near future. Which one are you excited to try? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if you'd like an in-depth tutorial on any of these tools. Don't forget to subscribe to How to Guide for more insights and updates on the latest in AI and content creation. See you next time.